Namaskar. Welcome to this lesson of Learn Bharatanatyam. Today we are going to learn Alarippu part 4. I am going to teach you the leg movement first and then we are going to move on hands. We finished over here in the last part. Now from here what we are going to do is we are going to stand in a Samapada position. With your right foot, you are going towards the right side. So it's like a diagonal, okay? So we are going to place our right foot diagonally and then sit in ayata. And then same right foot, you will have to take it back and stand in a Samapada position again. Now same with the left side. Samam Samapada position, you will come here. Then again, left foot back and Samapada position. Now next is, I am going to do Diditai or Ginatom with a gap. Okay. So it's going to be Ginatom, 4 times. Then we are going to do Ginatom 12 times constantly without taking any gap. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? Now let me teach you the hand movements for the same. So we are going to use Ardha Pataka, but we are going to hold the ring finger with our thumb. Okay? So it's still kind of a Ardha Pataka, but we are going to hold it with our thumb. So first what we are going to do is, we are going to keep right hand down and left hand up in the center. Okay? So it's going to be Tam, The Tam Te, and exactly opposite. So my right hand is down and left hand is up for the first position, and then later on exactly opposite. So it's going to be down and then later on same movement we are going to do it up. Same here. So we are going to keep our left hand down here and then right, then left and right. Okay, up. So I'm going to follow my hands when I'm doing this. Now from here we are going to join it like this. So let me just come nearby the camera. So we are going to do 1 and 2, 3 and 4. While doing this, I am going to move from my waist right and left. Okay? So it's going to be right and left, down. Now we are going to move towards the up, right and left. Now when we are taking a gap, we are going to go Diditai, Now from here, when we are going to do 12 times, we are going to follow right and left like that, down and up, both the sides. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now let's combine hands and legs, okay? So how it's going to be, you finished over here. Now from here, I'm going to step out. Tam, The Tam Te. Tatai, Tam, The Tam Te. Tam, The Tam Te. Tatai, Tam, The Tam Te. Now I'm going to do Diditai with a gap. Tam, The Tam Te. Tatai, Tam, The Tam Te. Tam, The Tam Te. Tatai, Tam, The Tam Te. Now continuously 12 times. Tam, The Tam Te. Tatai, Tam, The Tam Te. Tatai, Tam, The Tam Te. Tatai, Tam, The Tam Te. Tatai. Make sure when you are bending sideways, you are keeping your back really very straight. So do not slouch in between. So even if you are going right and left, make sure that your hand is not crossing over and you are bending it sideways, keeping your back very straight till your head. Okay? So do not slouch. We recently started a live class on YouTube, and we do it every alternate Sunday. For that update, you can stay tuned to our community page on YouTube, or you can follow us on Instagram. I really hope that you're enjoying this process of learning Alaripu. I'm going to upload the next part, fifth one, is the last part of Alaripu. If you like this video, please do share and comment and let us know. I'll see you in the next lesson. Until then, keep dancing.